Plus, he thank for 28 months, man. Much fucking love on me. Oh, that was really unfortunate. We had to cut the rate short, man. With no head. Head this papa, yeah. I scared. Dude. Evet, araba. No head? Yeah, we didn't have any head, man, unfortunately. Someone drunken? No head? Yeah, we didn't have any head, man. Hey, yo, Tin Man. Hey, yo. Ramra, good morning. Yeah, I mean, the young ones doesn't know John Wayne, dude. It's classic. For the meal team 6 squads. His head? 4 play, I can stand, bro. Good morning. All right, we don't need none of those. We don't need any of these. Let's go like that. We need these, right? We need 2 of those. Let's go like this. Let's go like that. We did sink a headshot, to be honest. We need to trim it all. Yeah, we need. I mean, let's probably trim it all real quick. I'm making stunts right now, though, chat. Not gonna lie. All right, let's go like this. Yes. We need another flare, though. And yeah, I'm gonna grab a bandage as well, dude. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Be able to stop the bleeding, dude. The green flare here. And we're set. What's up? It's the plug. How you doing, man? No play case at this point? Bro, I should buy a plate case. What level is your fence right now? No idea, my friend. I actually forgot something really important, chat. We forgot to put some bullets inside our safe container. I need a good movie to watch, Baba. What do you recommend? I mean, shit, a good movie. Have you watched The Gladiator? How long after you end the stream do you usually hop in Discord and play Kingdom Come? Around 4 hours later, Blidge. No, I would definitely recommend you to watch Gladiator. What's up, Doomsday? How you doing, brother? If you haven't watched Gladiator, I would definitely recommend it, man. It's one of the best movies of all time. I'm doing good, Chelly Game. How you doing, bro? Yeah, I got the bandage with me, man. Good morning, Arda. How you doing? If you haven't watched, shit. No, I haven't watched the new one, Shiflet. If you haven't watched The Lord of the Rings, it's really good. Star Wars, if you haven't watched it. What else? I mean, Harry Potter was a classic as well. Yeah. Braveheart, another classic. Kingdom of Heaven, another classic. Yeah. John Wick, for sure. Have you ever watched Lord of the Ring extended version? Yes, I have. Godfather, definitely. A must. Equalizer. Oh, I just watched Kingdom of Heaven. Brilliant. Bro, it's a classic, dude. It's such a good movie. How is everything to Prestige 2? Oh, I'm not gonna go for it, Shelly Game. Dune is a good one. I mean, I watched Dune. I don't know. I felt like the part 2 wasn't... I don't know. I didn't get the same vibe, dude. Part 1 was good. 30 Days of Night. Having trouble hunting killer for capo. Any tips? I mean, SJ6 and trim it all and just run through the map, dude, with smokes. Could be, Bleach, could be. Just go labs on auto service and make your own Harry Potter movie. Oh yeah, I am gonna prepare for Prestige 2, but we have a long time to do that, man. What's up, Doomsday? Probably Calamity.
You the best less than 3.
Yo, the Jet, Mr. Jet. Thing with the tier 3, 36 fucking months, man. That's a long ass time, dude. Come on, Kapoya. OG Dune. How long you think this wild will be? I would assume June, July. Like always. Oh yeah, I love South Park. Yeah. Hun vil lege med de der dukker ind i seng. Jamen, ja. Det var lige hvis du var inde, de vækkede dig. 8 months again. Could be Gandalf, come on in. Oh, you should, dude. If you haven't watched John Wick and Game of Thrones and Lord of the Rings, you should definitely watch them, man. You should definitely watch them. South Park is good because it's free to watch. So yeah, they took our jobs. They took our jobs. Yeah, so Lemarites, come on in. What are you up to on street? I'm working on some quests, bro, at the moment. Band of Brothers is also a peak miniseries. Lord of the Wings, dude. I'm gonna spell it wrong, but what does Kizm means? It means my daughter. Like, you know, Kizm, my daughter. And Meska, good morning. Another spawn, very close. It's like my girl, you know? My daughter, my girl, my baby girl, you know? You're welcome. I see someone crossing over the road. Give me one tap. Oh my god, I one tapped him. Okay. Oh fuck. I'm limit. Okay. Oh, okay. I mean, chat, everyone knows you're gonna miss all the shots you're not taking, right? That's what they say. Bro, that was a crazy shot. That was actually a crazy shot. What the fuck? Yo, what? No, wait, where did he go? Where did I kill him? Was it further? Oh my god. Okay, that was a 6 shot, bro. Wait. Cousin. No, that's not my boy. Nah, that's not our boy. I thought it was our boy, Fuzzin. You made that guy uninstall? I mean, that was a lucky ass shot, bro. Not gonna lie, dude. I could take the armor, but I don't want to be too heavy, dude. Goon $1. How you doing, bro? I'm not gonna grab the armor. That armor is not worth carrying. Hydra rig? Nah, it's fine, dude. The armor, dude, is I don't like that armor that much, dude. I usually switch the plates if I'm gonna run that armor, dude. Not usually, I always switch the plates. Bro, that was a crazy shot, dude. No cap. That was an actual crazy shot. What is going on in here? Breakfast. I don't get plates. Could you explain it once the raid is over? I mean, it's super simple, bro. Like, you gotta go with some specific materials. Some materials are breaking easier than others. You know, you just gotta learn the materials. There's a guy pretty close outside. It's all about knowing the materials, man. Whenever you get to know the materials, then you know which ones to look for and which one to, like, stay away from. Like, the one that, it's a player.
Wait, is that Glorious fat backpack?
Yeah. How do you you know? How do you know, man? What the fuck?
It's me, Alex.
Oh my god, Alex. Wait, you have a DVL, right?
I'm on auto. I'm sorry.
Yeah, same. You have a DVL, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to fight or nah? Like, you can just go do your thing.
Rock, paper, scissors. One time.
Okay, bet. Come here. Come here. Don't look at the stream.
Counting?
Don't look at the stream. Don't look at the stream.
Of course not. Of course.
Okay.
I
Okay.
don't,
Okay.
I don't
1,
stream stuff.
2, 3.
Well, fuck.
I
Do
won.
now?
I won. I won. I'm gonna drop his shit though. 1 second. Where the fuck is a good spot to drop? Where's a good spot to drop, dude? Oh yeah, the bombs, right? One second. One second, chat. I'm just gonna. Who was that? That was Watch Alex from the chat, bro. There you go. GG's, Alex. Alex, I won. No, dude. No, the Kazum. No, Alex, no worries, dude. I'm on auto service, so auto service as well. So there's a huge chance to get into the same raid, you know. There's a huge chance. Human Wonders. Yo, I'm sorry to hear you've been going through some stuff, Wonders, but it's nice to have you here, sir. Good morning, man. Nice to have you back. He did the scissors? Yeah, I did the you know, the hammer. He did the scissor. Yeah, 100% watch Alex, 100%. GG's, bro. But I dropped all your stuff. I hope you insured everything, bro. Yeah, I did the rock, whatever you call it. Rock, yeah. Not the hammer. Niye kaçıyorsun kızım? I heard something here earlier on though, chat. I don't know why I'm saying hammer, dude. I did the rock. Were you doing shooter born, Alex? What were you doing? Yeah, you were. I bet. Someone's what's it called? I could actually use your sniper right now,
Have
dude.
a nice stream, Tas Indigim.
Hey, Vala, bro. Thank you. We have players over there. Yeah, Arda, I think was 17 months, man. Shani diyeyim Arda. Let's go like this. Oh, did he just try to shoot me through? Hey, yo. Yeah, he's trying to shoot me through. Okay. Munamaza. Yes.
Baba you.
He's above.
Take Daddy Bezos' money, I don't want ads, glory kiss.
Tanger Tang thing with 10 months. King Draxon thing with 17 months. The fuck was that? Let's see who it is. No name? That was weird as fuck, chat. I ain't gonna lie. What's up, Belphone? How you doing, bro? There's a lot of grenades, though. Let's go like this. Dad, I don't want to sound like someone who's complaining, but that was weird, dude. Like... Doing Medusa. Missed you all week. Everything's all good? Yeah, everything's all good, bro. I've just been, my daughter's been sick, last week. So I didn't get the chance to open the stream in, normal schedule. Due to, well, basically... I had to take care of her in the morning. My wife could basically work. You bring the key for the quest? I did, but I'm not gonna do it, bro, because there's a lot of people camping outside. I had an M1A guy to my left. It's not worth it. We need the collapse crane. But we back to normal schedule now, though, chat. Alhamdulillah, so we're back to normal schedule now. Yeah, bro. The thing is, we couldn't send her to the daycare, dude, so she was sick, you know. El Clásico El Salvador. Let's hit these, and then think about hitting Mark Room as well, chat. Let's hit Mark Room. Yeah, she was sick, Uber. She was sick for like, since Wednesday. She's been sick. She had a high fever and stuff like that, but you know, it's classic, dude. Kids and daycare. It's just how it is, you know. Yeah, she gets a stronger immunity. I know. It's all about being a kid. Yo, AJ, MCP, thank you for the 2 years, my friend. Appreciate you, man. It's classic, dude. That's a scav. We're doing good, Tricky Raven. How you doing, homie? Do kids that often get sick? I never realized. Oh, they do. They do. Especially if they're in a daycare, dude. If they don't get sick from a daycare, then there's something wrong. Yeah, I would agree, 100%. Frag you, thank you for the 2 months, man. Appreciate you. That lag? What the fuck? Exactly, few. But that's classic, bro. That's classic. Calamera frag you. How you doing, man? D Kenneth, thank you for the prime, good sir. Appreciate you. We gotta check this shit just to make sure no one is camping me, man. Noldo. Sen niye kaçıyorsun annenden? Sen niye kaçıyorsun annenden? Niye kaçıyorsun annenden? Ama her yerin ıslak. Her yerin ıslak. Her yerin ıslak. Her yerin ıslak. Evet. Koş anneye. Hadi bakayım. Her yerin ıslak ama. Kızım. Anneye koş. Koş anne. Oh. Oh. Koş anne. Annen aç kaç. Nice get. Dur baba buraya bir baksın. Bir saniye. Anything? We got a suppressed pistol. What else? Oh. Chat, maybe I'm coping. Maybe I'm coping like legit. But I feel like we have some players in our raids that are just snatching all the loot. Without, you know. Maybe I'm coping like for real. But like, there's just no way they like, this is what it has to like. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm coping, dude. Maybe I'm coping. Like, there's no way it's supposed to be this bad. I know, I hear him. I hear him. He's in the office. Bring back the real streamer. It's not a GPU, bro, Dogtown. It's not. It's a cupboard. It's not a GPU. It's not a GPU. It's a cupboard, bro. Goober, I usually speak Turkish to my daughter and Danish to my wife. And the reason why is because we want her to learn Turkish. And also, she's like, they speak Danish to her in the daycare. So, at the moment, she's learning 2 languages at once. At the moment. Oh, player scavs are spawning in now, chat. We gotta move. We gotta move. Player scavs are the real problem. They go YOLO every time. They have nothing to lose. Good morning, Rocket. How you doing, man? That player scav had 2 red key cards on him. Dude, I don't even care, dude. He had shit ammo? Yeah, but he got me good, though. He got me good, though. That's Alex trying to get his revenge. Imagine. Doing the same with my son. Spanish and English. Smart. Smart. Hell yeah, Rackison. I got my backpack with me. You just run? Yeah, exactly. We actually missed full red key card, 7 GPUs, red rebels, and attack and ammo growing. GG's. I'm 94 kilos salted. I am 94 kilos at the moment. No way, Memorid. No way. The loot just disappeared in front of you. Hell yeah, Medusa. Good shit. Good shit. I'm not trying to lose weight though, Chad. Congrats. I don't know. Maybe you should talk with the doctor, Wolf Stefan. Yeah, I'm 94 kilos, bro. 94 kilos is not good for my height. That is not good for my height, dude. That's pretty much being overweighted, man. How tall? 174, bro. I'm not that tall, fam. That is no bueno, my friend. If I'm gonna be honest with you. So we need a mule. One second, chat. BP been treating me well this morning. Not gonna lie. Wait, let's go like this. What do we need, chat? We need to repair the gun. Can we check no name? Yeah, we can. Where is no name? No name. Let's see. It seems pretty legit, to be honest. We'll finish this quest. When dark, I do, man. Alright, we need to do this quest. You killed Cacao? Yeah, I killed him yesterday, man, on labs. I might have played labs last night. Solo queuing. I may have played offline, chat. I apologize, man. I couldn't. I had to play labs. I couldn't. All right. Yes, we got everything. Yes, we said. Nice one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How dare you? You stream sniping? Are you a bot? Weekend labs is rough. Yeah, it is, bro. It is. So you owe us some labs. I'll give you guys some labs today. It's warm up, yes, sir. He was. What's up, Suba? What's up, Ineski? You a butt? How do you get that back? You can do the barter trade. Gamba? Yes. Gamba coming up, chat. I got you. I mean, it'd be like that, man. Just killed Knight and Pipe. Where's Bird? Bird, I can run away from them, bro. Sometimes they do that. They don't always stick together. Jonadel, we didn't play labs yet, man. One hip dance? No. Do not die, please. I mean, I'm gonna try not my time to do it. Ellie also had a rough labs yesterday. It'd be like that though, Rango. Sometimes it's just, you know. What are you grinding on right now? I'm actually working on ref right now, brother. I stop having gear fear. Man, you need 34 kills for the super tracksuit? Dude, you got this, bro. You almost there, man. Oxide, thank you for 56 fucking months, man.
Pui 56, a lot of months for you, big bro. I am very happy to support your work and your incredible personality. I wish you the best for you and your family. Less than 3 lots of love from France, brother.
Bro, much love to France, dude. Oxide, thank you for the 56 months, man. My friend fell asleep on stream? No way. Dude, that's a long time, Oxide, man. What is the best thing you can get from ref level 4? SP6 BP. I'm pretty sure there's a tier 6 armor as well. What else, chat? What else? I think that's about it, no? Oh, Bambusha, I'm never gonna do that. Oh yeah, the CPC armor as well. I mean, that's not that bad though. Congrats. Oh, you can get Alton. Yeah, we don't really need GPUs at the moment, bro. They're not worth that much. Oh, you can get a thick case as well. Is it worth though? Like, how do you farm the GPU coins if you don't play Arena? Labs? Chris? Like, I don't play Arena. I haven't played Arena this after this Prestige. I've got a hell of a lot of GPU coins, bro. Just because of labs. I'm sorry, no HK Enjoyer. Yeah, they were more, but they went down, dude. Wait, how do you get them from labs? They spawn in labs. The GP coins. Okay, it's fine. That's 2K is a lot though. Only stacks of 2? Yeah, but if you play a lot. You got 3K? Are we doing some quest? We are working on Rift quest at the moment, brother. Bro, why do I only spawn here, dude? In Riches, I haven't watched, I refuse to watch it. Even though I'm dying, man. But I refuse to watch it. I fucking refuse it. Yeah, I'm waiting for it's completely over, bro. Oh, we got Kaban. We need to go for him. We have to go for him. We need to kill 3 guards. We have to go for it, chat. But then we need Kolonsai as well. Oh, I didn't peek that corner. I could have died. That was a mistake. That was actually a rookie mistake. I'm getting shot from the left. Someone is doing shooterborn. I'm dead. GG's. GG's. We're Gucci. Pivot. Okay, we got 3 of these guards. No, look at them. We got the guards. We got the guards. I heard someone shoot with an M4 to my far left though.
Less than 3 Baba.
Sub cover, thank you for gifting out another sub, man. Luca Lesso, thank you for the 33 months. Yeah, someone is shooting from my left. Someone just threw an nade. Wait, no, the quest was I wasn't allowed to kill Kaban. Wait. But Kaban is not dead. Wait, hold up. Oh, so I wasn't allowed to kill Besmerk and okay. Yeah, I messed up, chat. I messed up. Take 30. Okay, take 15. Not bad. I actually did mess up, dude. Oh well. I guess mistakes happens. Oh well. You fucked up, I fucked up, man. Take the code. It's a Wi-Fi code. He didn't die. Crazy. This is my boy. Oh, another player here. I just saw him. That was my last nade. Here's my boy. Shot his dick off. Be like that, puppy. I mean, using BP to leg meta is kind of crazy, no? Alright. Let's loot up now, dude. This guy had an M4. A milk. I like that.
You are the man.
Thank you, good sir. Let's go like this, too. Mr. Yayo, thank you with 2 months, man. Appreciate you, good sir. Alright, let's go like this. Let's go like that. Insurance fraud? Nah, fuck it. We don't need it yet, dude. But we gotta be a little bit quick, though. The player scavs is about to show up. We gotta be a little bit quick here. Yeah, you can put the flares here now. They changed it, bro. No red rebel. Fine. EP is not that bad, actually. No lab key cards. What do you have for me? Take that one. I mean, Patron, it depends, like, if it's a fast fight, you can always use adrenaline. You know? It all depends, dude. I did loot Kaban completely, right? Yeah, we did. Actually, I might actually take that. That'll be a little bit easier. Let's see what we got. Kelmeravag, my beloved brother. Did BSG just tweet? What did they tweet? They tweeted this. I heard an unsuppressed M4 as well here. I don't know where he is. Eat the sausage? I just did. Iconic.
Good morning, Bappa.
Good morning, good sir. Dude, I'm telling you guys, I heard a guy with an M4. Nice one tap, bro.
Hello, my glory, I finally see your bald head in shadows deep where scholars dread to tread. Thou mourns the dearth of guidance in the plight. A lantern lifts above my head, tomorrow's sun shall bring thee newfound light.
Bet. Bet. Bro. Chesson thing with 15 months, Flampert thing with 15 months, Yayo thing with 2 months, Luca Lasso thing with 33 months. What was that, bro? Was that like oh, that's the M4 dude. It was poetic. Poems. Like this. Did he loot the guy in the building? Wait 1 second. No, I have to. I'm not gonna do this quest unless we get what's it called? Unless we get what's it called, dude? The fallen collapse crane. I'm not gonna do the other quest unless we get collapse crane, chat. That's a big no-no. I'm pretty sure I looted the guy in the building, yeah. He was a guy with the M4. But Jellison, where I wanna hear that one again, dude. Ooh, okay. I wanna hear that poem again, dude. Let's give it another try, 1 second. No, I want to hear to it. I want to hear it. I actually want to hear it.
My glory, I finally see your bald head in shadows deep where scholars dread to tread. Thou mourns the dearth of guidance in the plight. A lantern lifts above my head, tomorrow's sun shall bring thee newfound light.
Beautiful. That was beautiful. What's up, Phoenix? How you doing, man? Come on in. I want to hit Mark Room as well. Are we using AMD settings? Yes. I am using AMD at the moment. Don't you open Tech 15? Tech 15 has been empty, man. They killed that room, homie. Unfortunately. I got my backpack with me. What's up, Sasashi? How you doing? How do you feel about AMD compared to NVIDIA? I mean, I like AMD, to be honest. To be honest with you. You know what else is beautiful? What? That is so sad, dude. That is so sad. That is so sad. Damn. Awesome, Mark Room. So sad. How many FPS do you have on street? Apparently 100. A fucking spark plug? Yeah. Come on, FPS. Rick Sidon. It was good early wipe. Well, I don't know about that because I never found that key early wipe, dude. Coraxion, thank you for the 9 months. Okay, we gotta be a little bit quick here, dude. We gotta be careful as well. What's up, Justin? Looking fresh today? Appreciate you, man. Thank you. What's up, Fasting? FPS Ricks, thank you for the prime, good sir. Appreciate you. We gotta be careful here, dude. Player scavs. They're about to spawn in. If not already, they're in. Heavy motherfucker? Yeah, bro. It's been good raids. We have some good raids. Tally, thank you for the 6 months. Appreciate that, Tally. $11 bullet scam? No way, Salmon. W raid? Yeah, this was a good raid. Another good raid. We survived all our raids so far. Since we started the stream. Can't complain. GG's. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure, Knight. For sure. Good shit, FPS Rigs. Good shit. Hell yeah, fam. GG's. We're not allowed to kill the others, man. I forgot that, man. For fuck's sake. We're not allowed to kill the personal guards or Kaban. RPD, good shit. Wabs? I don't know if I want to play labs, dude. Yeah, you're not allowed to hit him, yeah. What's up, Lackery? How you doing, brother? Good morning. We're not allowed to hit him, man. I fucked up, dude. I fucked up. I don't know why I went for it. A lot of labs recently? Yeah, that's why I'm not going labs, man. We played way too much labs recently, and I just don't want to bore you guys with the same thing, dude. We played way too much labs recently. We can't sell these. We played way too much labs recently. Like, don't get me wrong, I fucking love labs, but we're not a one-map bandy. How much is it going for? I mean, not bad. Let's go like this. We need BP. 3 mag Randy? I mean, 3 max is more than enough, bro. BP. Let's go like that. Yo, we gotta redo that quest though, Chad, unfortunately. We're not allowed to kill... We're not allowed to kill the personal guards. One second, chat. We are going to hand in this bad boy real quick so we can level up. There you go. I got my own dog tag. Alright, let's go like this. We need a mule. Everyone is asking for labs. It's fine. But yeah, I feel like we played way too much labs recently. And I don't want to bore you guys with labs content. Let's see what's up, Prime, bro. I don't want to bore you guys with the same map all the time, you know? Let's go like that. Yep, like that. You will return or you will beg. Caring less about death? I mean, you gotta treat the game as a video game, bro. When you start doing that, you're gonna have a lot more fun. You know? And use your scav every time it's available, man. What's up, Delicious? How you doing, man? Thank you for the prime, sir. 1 lab for checking cheaters, please. I'm not gonna go labs on auto service. I'll switch my service if you guys want me to check labs. It's not gonna happen, dude. Not on auto service. That's a big no-go. That's just a waste of time. Alright, let's go like this. Let me see. Let's go like this, yeah. Really? 1 lab rate? How many subs for labs? Nah. Nah, chat. We're not going labs. We're not going labs. We played way too much labs. We're going customs. I'm in the gym. Shall I do weights, then cardio, or cardio, then weights? Start with weights and then end it up with cardio. Lighthouse, 0 to hero, maybe? Nah. Willpower above 9,000. The reason why I go with weights first before cardio is because I don't want to use all my energy. So you want to use all your energy lifting heavy ass weights, and then you go for the cardio afterwards. So you take away from the fat. One lab raid is all we ask for. Good sir, you know exactly what happens if I do one lab raid. I go for one more. Hero to 0. Small fridge. You know how it works. You know how it works. And so on, exactly. You know how it works. Please, only one lab raid. Other maps are fine? Yeah. What's up, sir? Yes, I do, bro. Labs are scary. You got this, Rip. I've never seen you bring in that bag. Yeah, I usually never play with this bag. View butting on Twitch is getting bad. Thanks for saying genuine. Brother, it's fucking ridiculous, but it is what it is, man. It's horrible. The bag good for breaking up head silhouettes, yeah. A lot of popular-ish EFT streamers were review bouting last month. Dude, there's a lot of them, man. What's up, Big Lucky? Good morning, man. They just don't care. It's crazy. It is what it is, Enriches. It is what it is, man. Yeah, 100% Rango. It'd be like that, man. Like, one thing you can do if you think someone is view butting, just stop watching them, honestly. Like, of course, I'm not gonna tell you guys what to do, but if you wanna help us, who's legit, stop watching those guys. That's what you can do. The only thing you can do, to be fair. You want Dracarys? I don't, bro. Yo, happy birthday, Gingerbread. Happy birthday, my friend. Like, seriously, like, if you think someone is view butting, just stop watching them, man. Like, watching a cheater, yeah. Yeah, bro, like... Huh. I don't know, man. It's crazy to see, but it is what it is.